All praise is due to Allah, the Lord of the worlds. Peace and blessings be upon the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and upon the people of his household. Today we are going to investigate some Quranic verses and some hadiths which are telling us the real meaning of the word wasatiyya. The word wasatiyya or moderations are frequently used, and many people are using, or many scholars are using this terminologies. So in this episode we will try to understand what the real meaning of this concept. Wasatiyya, if we are talking from the linguistics point of view, are used in Arabic interchangeably with many terminologies like tawazun, i'tidal, and it means to opt the middle course or the middle position between the two extremities. And the opposite of this terminology in Arabic is fanaticism or extremism, which means tatarruf, to go to the extreme, or to go to both ends, whether it is in the right or in the left. There are many words, as we said, that which are used interchangeably to this word, like the word qasd. And there are some hadiths which mentioned the word qasd, and the word qasd means moderation also. You know the hadith of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, la ala man iqtasad, the one who manages his finance or his financial resources will not be afflicted with poverty, will not suffer poverty. Wa ala Allahi qasdu sabil, and it is Allah who shows us the right way. So the word qasd here, the one who is following the path of qasd or the path of moderation will reach to his correct destination. The word qasd, there is another word which is derived from the word qasd, which is iqtisad, and iqtisad is closely connected to the management of the finance or striking some kind of equilibrium in spending. So the word qasd means, you know, moderation in spending in particular. The word wasatiyya in Islam is used, or in the language of the Arabs, it is used to refer to superiority, to ennoble descent. It is also used to refer to elevated status. We have the saying that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, كان النبي sallallahu alaihi wasallam أوسط قريش نسبا, which means that the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was among the best descent of the Arabs, or was from the best descent of the Quraysh people. So the word moderation here means the best. Another important factor in explaining or interpreting the meaning of the word wasatiyya, that we should understand that the word in Arabic is intransitive. It is not self-contained, and its meaning will not be clear unless it is added to a subject, or it is applied to a subject. Like we can say that he is moderate in performing the rituals of the religion. He is moderate in terms of applying or the implementation of the penalties of the Sharia. He is moderate in observing his transactions according to the principles of the Sharia. So the word itself should be added to something else. Of course, the word wasatiyya, it doesn't mean at all that the person should be negligent of his religion. It doesn't mean that we are doing some kind of compromise, or that we are using the word moderation as an excuse to evade the application of the principles of the Sharia. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala described the Muslims ummah in the Quran, وَكَذَلِكَ جَعَلْنَاكُمْ أُمَّةً وَسَطًا. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said that this nation of the Muslim people are a moderate nation. And in the verse, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, تَأْمُرُونَ بِالْمَعْرُوفِ وَتَنْهَوْنَ عَنِ الْمُنْكَرِ, that the Muslim ummah are enjoining good, preventing evil, and also they build the earth and they implement justice on this earth. And this is actually the real meaning of the word moderation when it is used in this context. I hope that the meaning is clear. Thanks for listening to us. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.